Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 7 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's tap on the settings and here we have to find the fingerprint, face and password. Let's tap on it. And as you can see in the biometrics, we've got add fingerprint option, so let's tap on it. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it to confirm. If not, your device will ask you to add an additional one. So let me enter my pattern. And now we can add a fingerprint. We have to put our finger on the sensor, which is located here on the power button. So let me do it. And now I can add my fingerprint. So I have to tap on the sensor multiple times in order to add my fingerprint fully. Okay, now let's tap on continue, and now we have to enroll our finger to add all the corners of it. Tap on continue, and here we've got the fingerprint menu. This is the finger we just added. We can tap on it and rename it if you want. If you want, you can of course remove it. What's more, you can add much more fingerprints. Just tap on add a fingerprint. Now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Just tap on it, and here we can use it for the screen unlock, just like now, for app lock or private safe. If you want to use it, for example, for the private safe, just tap on the switcher right here and then it will be active. What's more, here we've got the screen of unlock. Let's tap on it, and now we can decide if you want to unlock your device with the light touch or firm touch. I will stick with the light touch. So now let's check if it is working. Let's lock our device. And now let's place our finger on the sensor. As you can see, the device is unblocked, so it means that we successfully added our fingerprint. So that's all. This is how to add a fingerprint to your Realme 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.